Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 GTI and I'm going to show you how to reset the inspection and the oil change reminders in this car. You can use your multimedia screen to check the distance and time to your next inspection and oil change. We just did the full service on this car and the oil change is already reset, but we have the inspection to reset. I'm going to show you how to do it without diagnostic tools. You can use VCDS or other stuff to do it, but you do not need those devices to reset those two reminders. What you need to do is turn off the ignition, press the 3 preset button, turn the ignition on, wait a few seconds, press to confirm. Service was reset. Now let's do it once again, but now let's hold the button a bit longer. We have both reminders reset. Some tutorials say about the hazard light which you need to turn on in order to see the other inspection on the instrument cluster to reset. You can try that if this procedure is not working for you, but as you can see here, we can do it without the hazard light switch whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Check my other tutorials for more stuff about Volkswagen and other brands. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you and see you soon.